Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aiyana and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen my face before. Yes, I'm all natural today. I'm not wearing any makeup, no color contacts, none of that, because today we're gonna do a cleaning video. Yes, I'm in my kitchen. I don't know why I'm in my kitchen because this video is gonna take place in my closet. I've been watching these very satisfying cleaning videos. Why? I don't know. I just think they're really fun to watch people get rid of stuff that they don't need. I really like them. Maybe I'm weird. Today I wanted to do the decluttering my closet video based on the Marie Kondo method. Marie Kondo has a show on Netflix where she kind of teaches you how to declutter. I've never watched it, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos referencing this show and referencing her method. We're gonna try that out today, and hopefully you guys find this video as satisfying as I find the rest of these kind of videos on the internet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome to my closet in all its glory. I like my closet. It's a good size. Literally this whole side of my closet over here is empty. I thought I was gonna have a man in here at one point and that didn't happen, so now I'm just left with like a painful reminder of what didn't work out. In this method, the first step is to devote yourself to cleaning. If you're gonna clean and declutter, you need to set out to do it, and you actually need to finish what you started. I've taken that step today because I really need to do it. Second step is to gather all your clothes into one place and decide what's staying and what's going. And her philosophy is like sparking joy. So if it doesn't spark joy in your life, then maybe you need to get rid of it. I do have a lot of things you'll see later that have sentimental value to me, so those are some things that I will keep. I'm gonna start with the closet and pretty much take everything out of here, throw it on my bed. Do not come for me. I don't have sheets on my bed right now because they are in the laundry. Here we go. Oh my god. Y'all, that is just my closet clothes. I also have these like underbed storage containers that I've had since my studio apartment that I'm gonna tackle too because they just sit under my bed and I kind of need to clean that out. Literally just gonna dump all of this out on my bed. Sorry, I had to take them now. This is pretty much all the clothing I own. Marie Kondo's thing is sparking joy. If it doesn't spark joy, get rid of it. Envision the lifestyle you want to live. And for me, it's more like a lot of these clothes don't embody the style that I'm going for. A lot of these things I've had like since high school and maybe even elementary. Definitely need to get rid of some stuff there. I'm gonna separate my clothes into two categories. One being what's staying, one being what's going. Either throwing it away because there's holes or stains that are impossible to get out, or selling my clothes. I will be posting some things on POSHMARK. I will leave my link for POSHMARK down below. This is not sponsored. Also, I'm looking for like practicality. Like shirts like this, it's like it's cute, it's plain, it's basic. Would I wear it on an everyday basis? Probably not. But could I wear it to sleep or like to run errands or something like that? To the gym whenever I decide to start going to the gym again. Okay. These are a 10 regular in shorts. I've had these shorts since elementary school. I'm about to be 24, y'all. What and why? So this is the pile of my keep clothes. Pretty much my whole wardrobe is in here. It's gonna get separated later. For now, this is everything I'm going to keep. This right here, in comparison, doesn't look like a lot. This is gonna be my giveaway pile. So now I'm just gonna put away all my clothes, fold them, hang them back in the closet, and I'll show you what that looks like after I'm done because my battery's dying. Literally, that took like an hour and a half to go through, hang everything back up in my closet. So this is what my closet looks like now. And then it also took me a while to separate what was actually like trash, what I was going to sell on Poshmark, and what I was gonna donate. Now we're here. I am starving. I am shaking. Like, I feel super accomplished that my closet is done. Let me know if you guys want to see me declutter some other areas of my house, and maybe this video inspired you to declutter your space as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more like it. Follow me on all my social medias. I'll leave them down below and at the end of this video, and subscribe because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next one.